As you guys know already, I'm a huge LIFX smart bulb fan. As you can see behind me, I have a couple light bulbs already running, and I have a lot more light bulbs. I recently bought the LIFX Z strips, and I thought this was a really cool upgrade, and I've put it in my kitchen, but I'm getting a lot of issues. I'm not able to update the firmware for the LIFX Z strips. I've tried it so many times. Every time I do it, it just fails. I also tried using the desktop updater and I had no luck. It just said I don't find any bulbs on your network. And lastly, one of the most annoying issues is that it has a really loud buzzing noise coming from the plug itself, kind of the AC adapter. It's a kind of a bzzz, kind of buzzing noise, and I'm going to show you and let you hear what it sounds like. The buzzing noise gets worse as you increase the brightness of the LIFX strips. So I hope LIFX support can really help me with these three issues. I hope they can at least send me a replacement so that I can better assess this product. I really want to keep these LIFX strips. I don't want to have to take them off or like send them back. It seems like a lot of work. I'm gonna have to clean all the 3M sticky tape that's affixed to my kitchen. So I really hope that I don't have to remove it. Hopefully that we can fix it, or if not, they can send me a replacement. Anyways, that's it for this video. Please let me know down below in the comments if you experience similar types of issues with your LIFX Z strips.